Welcome to Suite 631 on Star Legend. As you can see, they have these kind of corridors that go in from the main corridor. Sort of an inner corridor. But we're going to go in 631. See what it's like. This suite is in the brand new section that was added as part of the $250 million Star Plus initiative. How can you tell? Well, all the newly added suites, and there are 50 of them, have the bed by the French doors and the seating area at the back. All the existing suites are the other way round.
So this is the sort of minibar area, which starts at the top here with an array of glasses. A wine glass and a champagne glass, a tall glass, a short glass, and a water jug. So yeah, a little bit worried about there if we hit rough sea, but...
The water is replenished every time your steward comes into the suite, which is twice a day, once in the morning, then an evening turn down. The ice bucket is also kept replenished with fresh ice too. I'm sorry I didn't get a better picture of it, but you know what ice looks like, surely.
Down here is the minibar.
And the minibar is like the most stocked minibar you've ever seen in your life. Look at that. Oh my giddy aunt. Mind you, I'm not sure if that's part of the drinks package or not. We're going to have to find out. And there's 3 doors there. The door on the left is the bathroom. The door in the middle is the dressing room. And the door on the right, obviously, is your entrance. Plenty of shelves. We've got a safe at the bottom, which, as you can see, I've got my 16-inch laptop on the top. That will go in there no problem. So that's good.
Even though it's not massive, it's really nice that you can just shut the door on it. So
yeah, just keeps
you're
everything
not
out of the way.
having to look at it. Yeah, it's like a
It's
big,
nice.
big cupboard,
So,
isn't it?
next door to that the all-new bathroom feels modern, luxurious, and Helen loved the double sink and this ultra-fluffy bath mat. The fluffiest bath mat at sea, no less. She didn't love the size of the towels though, which were on the small side. Apparently, and what do I know, being a man who could dry himself with a face cloth, you need to have a hand towel big enough to wrap around your wet hair and a bath towel big enough, well, to cover your modesty with little effort or worry of a bathroom wardrobe malfunction. Helen also liked that you can have a shower and see the sea at the same time. Well, it's doable, but it's not exactly a grandstand view, eh? The bedroom has a privacy curtain. It's like a void. It's actually quite nice,
It
isn't
is
it?
nice.
Yeah. I was going to try and pull it across that.
Very nice. Oh, just drop that.
That's nice.
Right,
Isn't
you stay there and I'll see you in 2 weeks' time then.
Yeah. Like a boudoir. Which is exactly what it transforms into at night, and after the stewards have done their amazing work, you're presented with this beautiful nighttime setup, which is super cozy and super inviting. Draw them back, honey. Let me see inside. The boudoir. Bed looks absolutely scrumptious.
Very inviting.
We'll let you know tonight because we've been up since 1:30 in the morning, and so we're both getting pretty knackered, even though it's only, what's the time now, Helen?
It's 2 o'clock.
Is that all it is? Oh, it feels like 8 p.m. There's some handy things next to your bedside table, which again is very practical because it's got 3 drawers, they both have, which is really good. But also, as part of their refit, they've put USB and 2 US chargers by your bed. So there's plenty of power, which is always a really good thing. Opposite the bed, we have the dressing table area and really deep drawers, which are really, really good. They swallow all your stuff. It's quite amazing. And again, there's plenty of power. There's 2 European sockets there. There is 2 American sockets and 2 USB sockets there. So there's plenty of sockets. You don't really need to bring your extension. On your TV here, they have a rather handy, what they call Windstar Wayfinder, which is the Windstar sort of TV IT interactive thing. And it's great because it's got all your daily stuff on, and it has a ship map on there. Not that you need it, because the ship is tiny compared to other ships. We'll have a look at the weather and itinerary. No weather data available. Oh, it's a bit ominous. Right.
Let's
They
hope
always
that.
used to say that, didn't they, when something bad was coming and they didn't like to tell the guests. I'm sure that's not, but yeah, so there's plenty
anyway,
going on there. There's lots of things going on there. You can look at your own onboard account, just there. Eat and drink where you've booked things.
All the different restaurants.
All the restaurants. Looks
And
great. I'm
bars,
gonna film
by
all
the
these. This
looks
is
of
brilliant.
things.
And you'll see them all in a Windstar dining guide. Information packages.
Forms and so on.
Everything is there. There's masks.
Masks which are replenished whenever you open one. So
Yep. And some hand sanitizer and all that sort of stuff.
tissue box.
Finally, we have the balcony, which there's a lot of staterooms and a lot of suites on board Windstar that has these balconies. But they are the very, very tiny. They're sort of like a Juliet balcony plus, if you know what I mean. So open it up, Helen. Let's, so you unlock it like that.
No, that was locked.
Oh, was it?
So you
Oh, so you unlock it like that. You unlock it like that, and you push that open. Push it right back. That's it, and it stops. And push that one right back. That was unlocked. Okay, so a rather lovely little balcony actually, just to stand on. It's so good.
No room to do anything but stand on it, but rather lovely to just lay in bed. I should
it up. imagine.
We'll find
Open
out
it up,
tomorrow morning.
and yeah, we're gonna try it. And smallest balconies we've ever had on an ocean ship. But that's the way it's designed. So
Well, it's an old ship, and it was designed really when we didn't really have balconies on ships. So
we'll refilm them with a better view because
yeah, Barcelona.
Barcelona Municipal Building is.
That's the World Trade Center.
It's the
honey.
World Trade Center, yes. But it's also
Barcelona's World Trade Center.
the world not very good to look at centre.
And there you have it, our beautiful Star Suite, suite number 631 on deck 6, midships, in the new section that they have only recently added to the ship.